Hi, before beginning this tutorial, I want to point out that this song is originally from Tears for Fears and that I'm about to teach you the very famous version of Gary Jules and Michael Andrews. So let's begin with the introduction. Here is the first chart and you will have the F minor composed of the C, the F and the G sharp and the bass note of F. Then the A sharp major composed of the D, the F and the A sharp and the bass note of A sharp. And two playing methods for this intro, you can either press the chords like this, 1, 2, 3, 4. So you alternate between the bass and the chord, and you're gonna do this for the A sharp major as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Or you try to play the introduction melody. Here's a readapted chart and slowly it should sound like this. First, the bass and the note together. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And at the original speed, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And after that, you will move on to the verse. Let me display the corresponding chart and you will have two additional chords. First, the G sharp major composed of the C, the D sharp and the G sharp and the bass note of G sharp. And the D sharp major composed of the D sharp, the G, and the A sharp, and the bass note of D sharp. And I will start singing. All around me are familiar faces, worn out places, worn out faces, bright and early for the daily races, going nowhere. You just played this chart twice and you will need to play two additional times to complete the verse. The tears are filling up their glasses, no expression, no expression. Hide my head, I wanna drown my sorrow. No tomorrow, no tomorrow. And you reach the chorus and you'll need a new chart for that section. Here it is and I will resume with the next lyric. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very And here you either play the first section twice. It's a very bad world. Bad world. Or you play the second section and it should be the melody you played for the introduction. It's a very bad world. Bad world. You could now play the second verse and the second chorus exactly like the previous ones, but you could also play these chords using arpeggios. Here's the corresponding chart for that method and this time you will play like this. So either the bass and the chord once, 1, 2, 3, 4, and you do this on every chord. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the lyric. Children waiting for the day they feel good. Happy birthday, happy birthday. And I feel the way that every child should. Sit sit and listen. Or you double the chords, so instead of playing 1, 2, 3, 4, you're gonna do 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do this on every chord. 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now with the lyric. Went to school and I was very nervous. No one knew me. No one knew me. Hello teacher, tell me what's my lesson. Look right through me. Look right through me. You now reach the second chorus that you could indeed play with arpeggios. Here's the corresponding chord, and again, you either play the bass and the chords once. And I find it kinda funny, I find it kinda sad. The dreams in which I'm dying are the best I've ever had. Or you double everything. I find it hard to tell you, I find it hard to take. When people run in circles, it's a very And here you either play the first section another 4 times in a row, or you play the introduction melody twice in a row, because the second chorus is longer. It's a very mad world. Mad world. Enlarge in your world. Mad world. And either way, you will finish this song with the A-sharp major chord. I wish you good luck for this song, and I will see you very soon in the next one.